Classroom.
Yeah.
Man, please shut up.
Google
I am
Classroom.
asking
Google.
something important. Get lost, Sanjay.
He's saying Google Classroom. Google.
Madam sir.
Sir, how many questions until now?
11th question coming. 12th. 12th is coming.
Hello.
Oh,
Sir, how many
Brother, I
questions
got it.
in total?
13th coming.
So you gave only 12, yeah?
Yeah.
Sir, did you uploaded the 13th question? Or not yet? Sir, Yarullah is asking for getting it.
Sir, what is the code? Sir, Google Classroom is asking code. Sir, what is the code?
Which code you are asking?
What?
Sir, of Google Classroom.
Huh.
That means you did not submit it.
KT3TLVE. KT3TLVE.
Oh, it's there.
It must be in the social science group. Check.
Oh, it's there.
But you are so late, Imran.
How many questions there till now? 13.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
13 only.
In
Till now
one
13.
note you did is giving me.
No, I got 12.
Refresh.
One is came by that was I'm not putting the date, due date. I'm not putting that, so it will be coming not many time you can give, but you give now only. Because every time date to put it difficult.
So you cannot put due date for all at once.
Till now 13, right? Or any more questions?
13.
Okay, okay.
I was late today, otherwise I may have put all the questions there in the morning only. Now 15 questions are there best after the break. So this 15 question I will check how many have given the answer.
Sir, how much we need?
First question, where is first? What is was the resident of the Mughal Empire? 70, 14, they have 7 gives the answer only. Yeah. Where are the other 14? Where are the other 7? Third question only 6 gave. 8. Where are the others? Assigned 7, turned in 14. Let's see. First answer. What was the residence of the
There
Mughal?
are only 15 questions.
Yeah. Right. After the break,
Okay,
15
sir.
after the break. What was the residence of the Mughal Empire?
Sir, I'm doing the question. I will question number 8.
14 turned in, 7 assigned. So, two answers were given by Red Fort and Red Fort Agra. So, I am turning on the answer now. Faris Aslam, Jennifer, Prabjot, Sohail Khan, Oblaze, Purvang, Srinivas Pranita and Islamic videos gave the correct answer. And Krishna Katiravan and Muhammad Rizwan gave the correct answer. So this is the correct answer to them. So they should be given marks. Faris Aslam 1. There is Jennifer. First of all, दिया किसने आंसर करेक्ट. फारिस असलम ने नाम नहीं लिखे. चलो बाद में नाम देखने पड़ेंगे.
Sir, what is the correct answer? Delhi or Arya?
Correct answer is that Delhi.
Delhi.
Arya.
I will see now who gave the correct answer. Islamic video gave the correct answer. So 1 marks to him. Return. Prabjot gave the correct answer. Katiravan Srinivas gave 1. Return. उसके बाद है रिजवान ने गया तो यार Jennifer, your name is there, yeah. Katiravan was there. Rizwan gave the correct answer. So Rizwan. Rizwan कैसे हैं?
Sir, remove one of them.
One removed already. Then Blaze gave the correct answer. एक साल बेटा मेरे से. Sigambore gave the correct answer. Purvang Panchal gave the correct answer. Purvang Par gave. Katiravan gave. बस बाकी ने दिया नहीं करेक्ट आंसर. इन्होंने दिया बस. मोहम्मद रिजवान, सुहेल खान, इब्राहिम, फारिस असलम, अफलान और आंसर बेकार बेवकूफ. रिटर्न कर दो. So now first question answer you got. First answer. Those who are getting the correct answer, then return. First question, Bradford was the correct answer. So, marks given. Afterward, I will check. In the break, I will check and give you. Because the problem is there's big problem.
So where are the marks written?
Check, it will be there only. See, one mark, I returned 1 mark.
It is just showing marked, but I don't see the number of marks. Yeah, is there your answer 1 by 1?
Your answer 1 by 1 ना बस वही है.
Okay.
Where can you see it, Tejas?
You go
Now
there.
maybe we can go to the
I see this.
Janice was correct. Srinivas correct.
Can you see 1 by 1?
Yes, yes.
Islamic video correct. Faris Aslam correct.
For me, it is not showing like that.
The reason your
Yeah, it's showing now.
और कौन रह गया था इसमें?
Refresh.
हाँ सुहेल खान भी रह गया अभी तो. सुहेल खान भी है इसमें. बाकी तो हो गया सब. सुहेल खान. सुहेल खान. return. Good. Sohail Khan result also came.
Is it showing graded, not one by one or something?
Graded 11. Good. Now question number second afterward. I will check afterward. During the break, after the break, after the class, I will check and give you the result. But it is difficult to check now.
Okay, sir.
Because to check, then to give the mark, return, it will take time. I gave one answer is correct. Whoever gave the correct answer, the result is in front of them. Because questions are jumbled here and there. It will take time.
Sir, delete the one that which you did not give.
Huh?
You see, there are my two accounts, right?
Yeah,
Delete.
that is not working. I deleted but not getting deleted but not working. I put the marks there but it was not coming marks. That means it is not there.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise marks have been there. The time is finishing. The second question, Aurangzeb 14 turned in, 7 assigned. Grade 0. Grade 14 में 7 नहीं आंसर दिया बस. grade. Good work.
2 minutes.
Yeah, good work. Who arrested Aurangzeb's son? Very good.
After that, time finished.
So at what time should we come back?
After 10 minutes.
Sir, by 3 are wrong.
Rajkumar, I know Google Form. Directly in Google Form you can upload. But it will take time. It should be done before only. Now it cannot be done at the last minute. That's why question here I am asking only. Otherwise Google Form can be attached. That I know. That I saw Google Form. But the problem is that Mr. Arya, that it will not be possible here. Now at this time. It should be before only, na. You type before paper and then submit. Half-yearly exam will be like that only. Question answer in the Google form and attached in the Google Classroom, and you have to give the answer, return back quickly. 40 minutes. Jumbled question will be there.
Will be MCQs, yeah? So easy.
In Google form it will be, exam will be in Google form only. But Google form will be attached in this classroom only. And that Google Classroom you will have to answer in 40 minutes and give back, return back the paper. Result will be there in then and there only. As soon as you submit the paper, answer will be there. All answer what you scored, you will get the result there only. No need to check.
But sir, you have to give portion.
Yeah, only question and answer we put there, which is the correct answer. And when you put the answer correct, your marks will be added there automatically.
So like MCQ questions or one word?
30 questions, one word, okay, MCQ and 40 minutes to answer.
Okay, sir.
In exams.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
It will be attached to Google Classroom then.
Sir, in exams, right?
Yeah.
Sir, this will be the exam.
No. Let's see
So you have to give
when
portion.
it will be there or not.
So you didn't give
Maybe
portion.
option should
But
be.
in this, there's no time. There's no time limit, so people can copy it here.
What no time? 15 questions were there, 11:40 you have to answer. What copy? Still 2 minutes are there. Answer it. Now you cannot answer now. 40 minutes pass.
Sir, it's possible.
Not possible. So finishing it now, and then we will see what to do.